In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to remove someone from a group chat on iMessage. So first of all, open the iMessage app on your iPhone. Once you open it, then select the group from where you wanna remove someone. So I wanna remove someone from this group. I need to select that. Now it will open the group chat. Now to see all of the members, we need to tap on the group icon from the top like so. Then it will show us this menu. Now to see all the members, we need to tap on this arrow and then it will list all the members which are currently available in your group. Now I wanna remove this person from this group chat. So for that, we just have to swipe from left to right on this particular person like this. Then it will show us this remove button. Just tap on it. Now it will show us that you are trying to remove this person from this conversation. Click on remove to confirm that, and now you can see the group chat now has 2 people. Previously it was 3. Now we just have to click on done from the top right corner. Now what will happen, everyone who are still in your group chat will receive this notification on your chat that you remove this person from this conversation. So this is the process. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.